Hey Caroline, Corey here. Thanks for passing on this video for me. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that's going to help you outrank your competition, drive more traffic in for your business, and really help grow it. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Oh, you do have a website in there. Sorry, I thought it just directed me right back to there. Anyway, if you don't have a website, I apologize. We can build that out for you real quick. But applying these three free tips, we're actually going to outrank your competition, like I said before. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google loves words. I got Queen's Roofers right here. And really outranking your competitors really comes down to outranking their content as well. Really structuring, I like to be right around 2,000 words on that first page. That way you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. If I go inside of Google, type in roofing Astoria NY, this is what you're going to see. You got these ads at the top. People do have ads, ad blockers, I should say. So a lot of ads aren't even getting through. These Google guarantees just block out some of those spammy phone calls from those old school traditional ads, which they used to put them at the bottom. Looks like they're starting to take them out now. But right here in this little maps section, we have a bunch of companies competing to get to the very top. And usually it's just really the three top companies usually get all the traffic. And to get to the very top right here, you're going to be dealing with all these citations. These citations are just online business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in, go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top in this Google GMB or Google My Business listing right there. Underneath that GMB, we have that first page of Google, and to get your website on that first page really comes down to making sure you have all that content on your website. You're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to your website that just drives traffic and power to it, which not all backlinks are created equal. Kind of give you an idea here, I took this Queen's Roofing and stuck them inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. Lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So 116 referring domains, 225 backlinks, and those backlinks is really what's driving that power to get on that first page. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for, which he's got 144 of them, 98 organic traffic, the clicks to his website. Can actually come in and see what he's ranking for. Roofing Queens, if we need to be a little bit closer to Astoria, we can find those keywords for Astoria. But kind of give you an idea, Roofing Queens, 250 clicks. Fourth position, getting 21 clicks right there. Roofing Contractors, Queens NY, another 150 clicks. Another 15 clicks out of the 150. So coming in, finding whatever keywords is just going to work for you. If Queens or Astoria, whatever keywords we need to put in there, making sure we're found for those, but also we're doing those proper backlinks so that we can actually get a decent rate of return from that total volume coming in. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.